futures with open eyes, together on this golden quest, building legacies that attest. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Bound by beauty, heart and mind, in harmony our goals align. A journey rich in purpose deep, where dreams and visions never sleep. Supporting one another's dreams, inspired in change with golden beams, together on this gilded road, bearing hope as our shared code. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Through ages yet to come we'll shine, with enduring grace, yours and mine. On paths of gold we'll pave the way for brighter tomorrows we shape today. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. In a world where dreams unfold, we harness golden stories untold. Through wellness that gives us life, we find grace in our daily strife. Paying every soul to rise, shaping futures with open eyes, together on this golden quest, building legacies that attest. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Bound by beauty, heart and mind, in harmony our goals align. A journey rich in purpose deep, where dreams and visions never sleep. Supporting one another's dreams, inspired in change with golden beams, together on this gilded road, bearing hope as our shared code. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Through ages yet to come we'll shine, with enduring grace, yours and mine. On paths of gold we'll pave the way for brighter tomorrows we shape today. Socialite golden. gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Hey, ha, ho, hey, ha, hey, oh. In a world where dreams unfold, we harness golden stories untold. Through wellness that gives us life, we find grace in our daily strife. Paying every soul to rise, shaping futures with open eyes. Together on this golden quest, building legacies that attest. Oh, socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Bound by beauty, heart and mind, in harmony our goals align. A journey rich in purpose deep, where dreams and visions never sleep. Supporting one another's dreams, inspired in change with golden beams. Together on this gilded road, bearing hope as our shared code. Socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that's never done. Through ages yet to come we'll shine, with enduring grace, yours and mine. On paths of gold we'll pave the way for brighter tomorrows we shape today. Oh, hey, socialite golden, our guiding light, uniting us in gilded might. With each step we'll stand as one, create impact that
All right, good morning everyone. Good morning. So currently we have 10 participants in the room, no? Ang konti natin ngayon, siguro nasa trabaho pa yung iba. So it's already 3:11 p.m. and today is Friday. So welcome everybody, no? So nakamute po. Wait lang, i-unmute ko kayong lahat.
Pinip niya sila lahat. Sabi mo sa ganito, mga ano ni Des,
Alright.
grupo ni Des.
So pwede po kayong mag-unmute, no? So welcome po. Taga saan po sila? Sino-sino po yung nag-join sa Zoom natin? Sino-sino po sila? So, meron tayo dito si Coach Ken. Welcome. No, pwede po kayong mag-unmute, no? Naka-enable na po yung ano natin, microphone. So, welcome everybody. We also have Carl, CJ. Welcome. Taga Zambales. Welcome po. And now we have 12 participants in the room. Welcome everybody. Welcome. At yung iba po dito na nandito, taga saan po sila? Pwede po kayong mag-chat, pwede po kayong mag-unmute, no? From Camarines Norte, welcome. Si Jose. From Alabang. Juicy. Ano ba, paano babasahin to? From Quezon City, from Pampanga, welcome po. Okay, so let's wait for the others na mag-join po sa Zoom natin, no? Para isahan po tayo. para hindi po tayo paulit-ulit. Okay. So we also have Josefina, yes, welcome. Rosario Barcela, welcome.
Yeah.
Yes, welcome. Okay. Invite your team, no? For those leaders, the coaches that nag-join po sa Zoom natin ngayon, please invite your team. Importante po ito. No? So we will talk about the update of our platform. Makikita niyo po kung ano yung mga pinagbago. Okay? I will give 1 minute, no? 1 minute pa po and mag-start na po tayo. From United Arab Emirates, welcome po. So we have Abner. Okay, 1 minute to go and let's start.
Ay, nako. Daw mag-invite.
All right, so good morning once again, and it's already 3:15 p.m., no? So we can start our walkthrough presentation. So we have a chat here from Edwina. Pwede po i-request na i-record para mabalik-balikan. I'm sorry po, hindi ko po i-record ito. But after this presentation, I will make a recording video for the guide para po, yun po yung i-send natin sa mga members natin. Okay? Magre-record po ako ng separate na video for this para po mas malinaw. Kasi ngayon, I know ang dami kasi magtatanong mamaya. Okay? Alright, so let's start, no? Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, no? Sa mga ngayon pala nakapag-join sa training natin for technical. By the way, nung nakaraang linggo, in-introduce po natin or inilabas na po natin yung bagong platform natin. Okay? The domain is www.socialitegoldgen.com. Again, www.socialitegoldgen.com. Yan po yung website natin. Okay? Can you see my screen? Can you please confirm? Pa-chat po ng 0 sa chat box if you can see my screen right now. Sa mga nandito po sa Zoom natin. Can you please chat 0? Kita po ba yung screen ko? Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. Okay, so this is our website, no? Pag search nyo po, www.socialitegoldgen.com, ito po yung lalabas. Okay? As you can see, malaki po yung pinagbago niya compared dun sa unang platform na ginagamit natin nung Socialite Next Gen pa po ito. Okay? So here, pagpasok mo pa lang dun sa landing page natin, you can gather some information about the company at kung para saan ba talaga yung project na ito o para ba ano ba talaga yung history ni Socialite at sino-sino yung mga tao na nasa likod na ito. Okay? Si scroll down nyo lang po. You can read all the information provided here sa website natin para po maintindihan nyo kung ano ba talaga yung purpose natin, the mission and the vision, the history of the company, and even the founder, Chairman Hazel Magbago is here also. You can read her background, no? And the recent events, no? You can see it here also. At kahit yung mga official links natin, the Facebook, no? And later on, i-attach yun po natin yung Twitter, the Instagram, and the YouTube channel natin dito. Okay? Para po align tayo na talagang kung ano yung inopen mo na accounts like the Facebook, yan talaga yung official account ni Socialite Gold Gen. Okay? Are we good? Is that clear to everyone? Pa-chat nga ulit ng 0 sa chat box if that's clear to everyone. No? Pwede po tayo mag-explore. We can add more information here sa landing page natin, no? Kung meron tayong mga bagong events, pwede nating i-attach dito yung mga videos natin, the pictures ng mga bagong events natin later on. Okay? Okay, thank you. So, dito tayo sa most important part in which we will access the account. All right? So, as you can see, ito po yung login page natin, no? You can input your username and also the password. So, lagay po natin dito, ito po yung bagong gawa ko na account for this demo purpose, no? And then, after mo pong makagawa ng account or after nyo magkaroon ng account, i-login nyo po siya. Okay? Pero, take note, you need to verify the email bago mo po siya malogin. Okay? So, meron po kasi tayong email verification dito to make sure na talagang yung pinasok dyan ay hindi po yan dummy account. Remember, we have the one account policy dito sa company natin. So, we will make sure na talagang totoong tao yung pinasok mo. Okay? Kasi, ang problema kasi sa mga MLM company na nagsara, kahit yung mga patay na, no, binuhay pa, nilista pa eh. No, hindi pwede yung ganun. Okay? But for the meantime, temporarily, hindi po masyadong mahigpit yung verification natin sa ngayon kasi alam naman natin na ang dami pong data yung na-migrate natin from the old platform dito sa bagong platform natin. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-assign kami ng isang admin. Ang task niya is to verify manually yung mga account ng mga bagong encoded accounts. Alright? Ang gagawin nyo po, soon kasi magkakaroon tayo ng Facebook page for customer support. So, pwede po kayong mag-chat doon. I-chat nyo lang po, ibigay nyo po yung pangalan, no? Or and username ng in-encode nyo. And then, sabihin nyo po dito, please verify. Okay? Kasi kung hindi po ma-verify yung account, no? What I mean is, hindi na po kailangan na sila yung mag-verify doon sa email nila manually. For now, mag-chat lang po doon sa support natin para si support na po yung mag-verify ng account. Okay? Ano bang mangyayari, Sir Nel, kung sakaling hindi ma-verify yung account? Ganito po siya. Pag i-click po kasi yung login, pag hindi po verified yan, ito po yung lalabas. Your account is unconfirmed. Please verify. Okay? So, yun po yung lalabas. Now, kailangan nating i-verify. So, check po natin dito. I-verify po muna natin. Okay? So, yun. Nung nakita ko hindi pa pala verify. So, nag-chat ako sa support. And now, pwede ko na siyang i-open. No? Nung na-activate na ng support, na-open ko na siya. Okay? And here, ito po yung next page natin. This interface shows that I need to provide documents like my ID for the KYC. Okay? Lalagay ko lang po dito yung date of birth, the address, country, and then continue. Okay? And then, kailangan ko po i-provide yung valid ID ko. So, if yung question is, pwede po ba na below 18 years old yung mag-register, mag-join? Yes, pwede po at least 16 years old at meron po siyang school ID. No? Pwede rin po sila mag-join. School ID lang po yung i-attach. But when it comes to the withdrawals, they need to ask for a letter doon sa parents nila for parang authorization or parent consent. Okay? Kasi yung withdrawals kasi nila, papasok doon sa parents nila. Are we good? Okay? So, ganun po yung procedure. So, this time, hindi ko po muna ipaprocess yung KYC. Pupunta po tayo diretso doon sa dashboard natin. So, if I will click go to my dashboard, ito po yung lalabas. Okay? Marami pong pinagbago dito. Papansin nyo po, sa bagong dashboard natin, makikita po yung accumulated income. the account balance na withdrawable, and yung voucher nyo. And later on, i-add rin po natin yung lifestyle incentive points na magagamit mo pang exchange into items, travels, or pambili ng product inside the platform. Okay? And you can also see here your package. Ito yung package niya is Ruby. Okay? At yung baba po niyan, meron nakalagay benefits. If you will click that one, lahat ng benefit ni Ruby makikita niyo po dyan. Alright? Ayos ba? Especially dito sa max matching limit, 28 matches po kasi yung limit ni Ruby. Para po ito dun sa matching bonus natin. And even the rank, no? Nandito po, may ranking, affiliate po yung rank ko. Okay? So if you want to check lahat ng details, no, pa isa-isa, regarding doon sa mga rewards, you can just click direct referral bonus, no? Pero, eto na, hindi siya magpo-push through. Bakit? Kasi kailangan mo mag-provide ng ID muna bago mo ma-check yung details. Okay? So yun po yung ano natin. Mamaya po, i-attach po natin yung, i-approve po natin yung KYC para ma-check natin. But for now, kailangan natin i-check yung mga nakasulat dito sa left corner. Nandito po yung activation codes in which you can request a code para ma-activate po yung mga bagong invite nyo. Okay? Pag nakapag-request po kayo, dito po yan lalabas sa my activation request. Okay? So, isa-isahin po natin to Try po nating mag-request ng code. Let's say I need to request 1 and then this will be a diamond, no? I need to select the payment. Saan mo ba diniposit yung pera? And then, please attach the proof of payment, yung receipt. Okay? So, pag gine-request ko po yan, request activation code. Okay, lalabas po, lilipat po kaagad yung tab from my activation codes dito sa my activation request. Naka-waiting po siya. Okay? Kasi sa end ni admin, makikita po niya, i-check niya po yung payment, yung receipt na. And then pag na-verify na po, i-approve po nila to. So, the best thing to do, pag nag-request po kayo ng code, you need to go doon ulit sa Facebook page natin, message the page na nag-request po ako ng code, isang ano po, diamond package, please check. Provide niyo po yung pangalan, no? Much better para ma-check po nila and then they can review para po ma-inform sila and then ma-release po or ma-approve po yung code. Okay? So for this case, nag-request na po tayo ng code, i-approve ko po i-check ko po yung code doon sa admin side. Hold on. So nung na-check ko, okay, sakto yung in-attach na proof of payment. And then in-approve ko na po yung yung code. Okay? Pag pupunta po tayo dun sa may activation code o kahit i-refresh mo lang yung dashboard mo, nawala na po yung request na activation code mo. Bakit? Saan siya napunta? Nandito na po siya sa my activation codes. As you can see, meron ka ng isa, yung Ruby na na-request natin kanina, yung Diamond package na na-request natin kanina, at naka-tag po siya as not used. Claro? Is that clear to everyone? No? Can you please chat 1 sa chat box natin if klaro po yun sa lahat, no? So dito, you don't need to ask your upline or kung sino ba yung kailangan mo i-contact, no? Para makapag-generate ng code. Even you yourself, pwede na po kayo mag-generate ng code. Ang tanong, Sir Nel, ilang codes ba yung pwede kong i-request per request? Maximum of 10 codes po, imagine, pwede kang mag-stack ng maraming code dito sa loob. Okay? Pwede kang mag-stack ng maraming code dito sa loob. The advantage of this is, hindi mo na kailangang mag-antay dun sa admin na mag-open kasi alam naman natin, tayo kasi as network builder, kahit alas 3 or alas 5 na madaling araw, nasa labas pa. Nagmamarket pa. Di ba? So kung meron ka ng maraming codes na hawak, hindi mo na kailangang magpa-approve pa sa office kasi marami ka ng code. ikaw na mismo yung mag-encode sa kanila yung payment nila, kunin mo na lang, and then yung package, ipa-pick up mo na lang dito sa office. Okay? Possible ba yan? Possible ba? Okay, let's try, no? Nag-request tayo kanina ng isa, then now we will add another 9. Okay? 9 naman na diamond packages. Eh, syempre, pumaldo na ako eh. Marami na akong pera. So, mag-stock ako ngayon ng maraming diamond packages dito sa account ko. So, re-request ko lang yan. Yan, may another request tayo, 9. No? So, ito po yung total babayaran ko. Nasa 1.4 million. Di ba? Papa-approve ko yan. Mag-chat ulit ako sa, sa admin. No? Please approve. Ito po yung request. Then once approve na po sa admin yan, refresh mo lang. Automatic po nawala po dyan at nandun na po yan sa my activation codes. Now I have 10 activation codes na sa dashboard ko. Is that good? Magandang feature ba? Magandang feature ba to? Magagamit niyo ba to? What do you think, no? Kasi for me, ito'y napakagandang feature. Isipin mo hindi ka na, wala nang delay dito. Ang kulang na lang ikaw, kung gagalaw ka ba o hindi. O, di ba? Kasi pag marami kang codes, bilis na lang, encode mo na sila. Okay? So, let's try naman. Kita nyo dito sa taas, meron tayong 10 total unused activation code at wala pa tayong nagamit. Di ba? So, ngayon, i-try naman natin na mag-activate ng member, no? So, ang i-click niyo po, punta kayo dito sa My Affiliates and Binary Tree View. Okay? Binary Tree View. Here, pwede kang mag-activate. Okay, so ganito pong gawin natin. Pwede nyo pong scroll yan, palakihin yung para ma-clear nyo. No? Meron po ditong zoom scroll. Scroll nyo po yan. O kung sobrang dami na niyan, pwede nyo paliitin. No? Ganyan lang po. Now, mag-add tayo ng isang account. Click nyo lang yung plus sign. Kita nyo po dito yung sponsor is ako. Then, the placement, ako rin, kasi direct ko to. Nasa right ko siya. Okay? Then you can select the packages. Make sure, no, especially for those leaders na nandito ngayon, make sure to select the right package para sa member na yan. Okay? Isipin mo, marami kang codes na hawak. Example, kung meron kang iba-ibang codes dyan, meron kang Ruby, meron kang Jade, meron kang Diamond package na code, you need to select the right code para sa taong yan. Kasi what if naka-default yan ng Diamond? Tapos yung pinasok nilang pala is Ruby, hindi mo napalitan. So, yun. Touch move. Touch move po yan. No? So, ganun po siya. Always make sure to select the right package or code for that specific member. Take note. Okay? So now, gawin na po natin. So, this is the test demo. Ito na lang. Test yan. Then demo, the last name. Email is test. Demo. Yung at po, no? Ang dami pong nahirapan dito. Yung at po is only a placeholder, no? Kailangan niyo pa rin i-type yung at. No? Testdemo@gmail.com. Yan, para mag-push through po siya. Para hindi po kayo mahirapan. Okay? Yung at kanina sa Gmail, placeholder lang po yun. Pag nag-type kayo ng example, test demo, i-type nyo pa rin yung at. Okay? So, ganun po siya. Test, then demo. Test demo yung username natin. Then the password. Lagyan na lang natin ng random password na lang. And register member now. Okay? So, pag niregister ko to, ang hahanapin ko yung, i-check ko yung binary tree kung nandun ba siya sa right leg ko. No? And then, i-check ko dun sa my direct affiliates kung nandun ba talaga siya. No? At i-check ko yung reward kung na-receive ko ba talaga. So, I will click register or encode. Wait for a few seconds. And this is the binary tree. No? I-zoom in po natin. As you can see, test demo, yan po yung na-register ko na bago. Okay? Now, I will check also the My Direct Affiliates under My Affiliate tab. Sa left, My Direct Affiliates, makikita rin po dito yung list niya. Not verified pa syempre kasi kailangan niya i-verify ng admin to. Okay? Are we good? Kuha po. So, now, next na hanapin ko is yung reward. Talaga bang na-receive ko? So, I will go to my dashboard and then here is the reward. Okay? So, yung reward po natin, kung gusto mong i-check yung breakdown niyan, then go dito sa may direct referral bonus, more info, just click the button. And then, hindi siya teka lang. Okay, kailangan pala yung KYC. I'm sorry. So, ito pala yung kanina. So, kahit hindi tayo nag-provide ng ID for KYC, pwede ka pa rin mag-encode, makikita mo pa rin yung reward. Pero, balikan natin yon. Pag i-click mo yung more info para dun sa breakdown, kailangan talaga na nag-provide ka muna ng ID sa KYC. Okay, klaro? So, ulitin natin. Pag-click yan, merong notification. Then, kailangan ko talaga mag-provide. So, example, for the sake of this presentation, no? Gawa po tayo ng random information here and then Philippines. So, ito po yung KYC natin. Then, I need to upload the data like the front and back ID. Okay? Hindi po tayo masyadong sa ID natin, ha? Kahit yung barangay ID, pwede yon. So, yung selfie picture, hawakan mo lang yung picture mo, mag-selfie ka. Proof of address is kahit yung mga delivery slip, yung Lazada or kahit anuman. Yun lang po yung kailangan. Then, click submit. Pag nakasubmit na po ng KYC, yung ID nyo, contact ulit the customer support for the approval. And then, once na check nila na nag-submit ka na, no, which is gagawin ko po ngayon, i-approve ko po yung KYC. Okay? And this is how it looks like. Nawala na po yung notification. Okay? So, punta tayo sa Go to My Dashboard. Pag-check ko dito, more info, dahil nakapag-submit na ako ng ID at na-KYC na talaga ako yung may-ari ng account na ito, pwede ko nang i-check yung details kung ano-ano yung mga rewards, saan galing yan. Okay? Na-open ko na yung history ng reward. As you can see, I have 9,500 pesos reward from that one member na in-encode ko, Diamond Package. Alright? Okay, that's it, no? Now, dito naman tayo sa upgrade ng package natin, which is ito yung hinahanap natin ng mga nakarang araw. Okay? This update, pwede na po nating i-upgrade yung personal package natin. Okay? But take note, para dun sa mga member na nandito, na lumapit sa akin, no, the previous days, nagtatanong na upgraded na daw yung account nila before sa previous platform natin. No, dahil dun sa event kasi meron tayong promo before na if you will join the Golden Gala event last month, meron pong i-upgrade po yung package mo one step above of your current package. Example dito, Ruby. Kung Ruby to, ima-manual upgrade po siya, magiging Emerald na po ito. At syempre, tataas po yung benefit ko when it comes to the limits of the matching bonuses. Okay? So, yung mga ganong klaseng concern po, no? Makinig po kayo sa mga member nandito. Yung mga ganong klaseng concern po, inaayos ko pa yung list. No? Hinihingi ko pa yung list dito sa side nila Press Mon Alburo para makuha ko kung sino-sino yung mga pangalan na nandoon at ma-manual upgrade po natin yung mga account, yung mga packages ng account niyo. Klaro? Okay? Nasa akin na po yung ibang list. I think kulang pa to. So, kailangan ko ma-finalize to later. No? Ipa-finalize ko. And maybe this tonight or tomorrow, ma-upgrade na po natin yung mga account niyo, yung mga packages na account niyo. Okay? Is that clear to everyone? Please chat clear sa natin, sa chat box if that's clear to everyone. Pa-chat po ng clear. Klaro ba? Okay, thank you, thank you. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, no? Kasi yung, syempre, ako ba naman, no? Ang concern ko talaga, naglilimit eh. Di ba? Naglilimit yung, yung matching bonus. So, kailangan na talagang ma-upgrade yung mga account. Okay. So, yun po yung next na priority natin. But now, aside doon sa concern na yon na manual upgrade dahil doon sa event, now, because of this new update, no? I'm proud to say na available na po to sa live account natin. Pwede na po nating i-upgrade manually, no? Kayo mismo yung gagawa yung packages ng account niyo. Now, ito po yung pinakabagong update natin. Nagkaroon po tayo ng maintenance, only 3 minutes maintenance, no? Kaya hindi niyo po ramdam yung maintenance natin kanina before tayo nag-start ng Zoom. Pwede niyo na pong i-upgrade yung package niyo on your end. Okay? Paano siya gawin? Sa baba ng activation code, meron pong upgrade codes. Okay? From this tab, upgrade codes, punta ka lang po sa my upgrade request and here you can request a code to upgrade your package. Okay? Example, from Ruby, gusto ko na siyang i-upgrade into Diamond package. Kasi nga nalilimit eh. 'Di ba? May pera na ako. So, why not, no? Bayaran ko 'yan. I-upgrade ko yung account ko ngayon. So, send ko yung proof of payment. Personal upgrade to ha sa account ko. Dating Ruby, now i-request ko gawin siyang Diamond package. So, request and here's the request. Okay? Then, kung titingnan nyo, balikan po natin yung dashboard. Ruby pa po yan. Yung benefit ko is yung limit kasi is 28 matches lang. Okay? Now, tapos na ako nag-request, I need to contact the customer support again to approve my request. Okay? So, pa-approve po muna natin yung upgrade code request. Verify nila yung payment syempre. And then, once na-verified na, they will approve the request. And then, ang mangyayari, ang tanong, Sir Nel, automatic ba mapopromote yan? No, kasi nag-request na. Actually, na-approve na yung ano. Hindi po automatic. Nandito po siya. Punta ka sa my upgrade codes at yan, na-approve na po. Not used pa lang. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo, yung code, i-copy mo lang, go to upgrade my account, paste mo lang dyan, and once you do that, submit, yes, create it, and that's it. Upgraded na po yung account mo. Diba? Amazing. So now, na-upgrade ka na, Diamond package. If you will go back to my dashboard, Diamond na rin po yung package mo. And if you will click benefits, nagbago na rin po yung limit and other benefit na nandyan. Is that clear? Is it amazing? No? Pa-chat po ng 0 if that's clear to everyone. No? Welcome po sa mga bagong pasok. No? Sayang hindi nyo po nakita yung unang procedure natin kanina. Can you please chat 0 if that's clear to everyone? All right. Thank you. Thank you. So, automated po yung ano natin. That's the main purpose of this upgrade, no? We want this to be seamless, no? Convenient to everyone. Na talagang walang haharang sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo humataw, hataw lang kayo, no? Gusto niyo humataw kahit yung oras hindi magiging hadlang sa inyo. Stuck lang kayo ng maraming code. Sige, alis kayo. Humataw kayo dyan ng humataw, di ba? Okay, so now, my package is Diamond package na. Up to 224 matches. Grabe, no? So if you want to know more about the limitation, the cap, the benefit of having a higher package, please join our presentation every Tuesday and Thursday, no? Meron po tayong SOA, the Socialite Opportunity Awareness, and they will talk about the company, the products, the rewards, no? At iba-iba pang mga information na nandoon. Always join our Tuesday and Thursday presentation. That's 7 p.m. po, no? Ang nag-lead po ng presentation na yan are the VP, no? Like, we have VP Jiho and we also have Gerald, no? Okay. So, yun po yung ano natin. Now, na-promote na siya ng Diamond. Let's check also the matching bonus, no? So, may 9,500 ako sa left side, then I want to register another account dito sa left. So, if I will click that one, sabihin na lang natin, ano ba yung username nung una? Test demo. So, lagyan natin dito, test demo left. Okay? Test demo left at gmail.com. Okay? Yan natin ang random number. Test demo left. And the password is random for the sake of this presentation only. Register now. Okay. And okay. So now, nandyan na. Dalawa na sila. I have the left and I have the right downline. I-click ko po yung My Direct Affiliates. Dalawa na po yung nakalista sa akin. Okay? Then, check po natin ulit yung reward. We will check the reward. 33,000 na po yan. Check natin yung breakdown yan. Direct referral bonus, dalawang 9,500. And then, sa pair matching bonus, ito po yung rewards. Remember, no, for those leaders na nag-join ngayon, and sa mga first-timer, maybe we have a first-timer joining to, this Zoom presentation. Every match po kasi, that's 30 MP. 30 MP sa left and right. One match po yan. Ang reward po niyan is 300 pesos. Okay? Kaya yung breakdown po ng matching bonus natin, nakabase siya via 300 pesos. Ganun po siya. Is that clear to everyone? No? So, nandyan po yung matching bonus natin. Alright? So, ganun po siya mag-work, no? And you can also check the infinity bonus if you want, no? Ito po yung, yung bonus mo na makukuha if you already have 3 or more directs, and then every first 2 doon palalim down to infinity, meron ka pong bonus. If you want to know more about this one, then join also our Tuesday and Thursday Zoom presentation. Okay? And soon, ito po yung inaayos ng dev natin ngayon or the tech. Ginagawa na po yung sa product matching bonus natin. The product matching bonus, product report chase, no? Yung sa ano natin, yung e-commerce store, inaayos na po. And then the Stackist feature. So inaayos na po. Magkasabay po kasi yung tatlong yan. Okay? So inaayos na po yan. Then we will give an update once na natapos na po yon. And maybe we have a regular Zoom presentation for the walkthrough, no? Para po malaman nyo kung ano ba yung mga nadagdag dito sa platform natin, no? Para po ma-familiarize nyo siya. Okay? So, ito po yung ano natin, the network logs, ito po yung sa ano natin, sa voucher, no? Nakasama kanina. My earnings, ito po yung sa mga profit mo. And withdrawal, once na mag-request ka, which is nakalagay po dito, meron namang information dito. Available daw siya ng Monday. Payout is every Friday only. Okay? You can just read the information here and then make sure na yung ginamit mo na payout information, no? Take note, ha? Sa mga nandito, ilan bang we have 22 participants now in the Zoom, in this room. Take note. Dapat yung payment information, ha, for withdrawal, dapat same name sa pangalan mo. Okay? Sa example, ako, Nel, dapat yung bank account nakapangalan talaga sa akin. Hindi po pwede na pinangalan po yan sa ibang tao. Okay? Hindi po pwede. Pero, meron tayong exception. No? Meron palang way na ikaw yung makapag-withdraw niyan, kailangan lang natin ng authorization sa may-ari ng account with the attach of the ID and signature. No? Na nag-approve siya na sa bank mo papasok yung pera. For what reason? Our purpose is for sustainability and long-term business. No? Para po walang away-away ba? No? Baka kasi winidraw mo yung pera dyan, hindi naman pala sa'yo yan. No? Okay? Especially for those leaders, no? I know most of the leaders kayo po may hawak ng mga account. So we just follow the rule para po goods tayo. Okay ba? So paggawan mo lang ng letter, Perma, isang perma lang. Date kung kailan sila nagano, no? And then yung ID nila, i-attach picturean mo para makompile natin dito sa office. Ayos ba? Okay? Is that clear to everyone? So yan po yung platform natin, no? Actually, ang dami pa pong kailangang idagdag dito. So meron pa tayong yung sa Stackist feature, meron pa tayong sa matching bonus, and then the LIP, yung lifestyle incentive bonus which is naka-hide pa siya sa ngayon, no? Explain po natin ulit yan once na available na po siya sa platform natin. And then yung sa mga e-commerce store natin, the academy, the funnel, no? Meron rin po. And then for the merchants later on, meron din po tayong sariling dashboard for them. Okay? So yung Stackist po natin, nandoon na po yung sa mobile and city Stackist natin. Inaayos na po yan sa ngayon. Alright? So this update is now working, no? Updated na po yung ano natin, yung live website natin. You can explore, you can log in your account, no? To try kung ano ba talaga yung mga pinagbago. Check nyo lang po dyan. Okay? Then just to add, before we can end this presentation, yung ranking po, automated po yan. Take note, yung ranking po dyan, yung nakalagay affiliate, automated po yan. So it means, if nag-qualify na ako to become a star dreamer or dreamer, automatic pong nagbabago yung rank niyan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, meron akong 10 na Ruby packages na naipasok in 1 month. That time, nung nag-start ako mag-register, up to 1 month, nakapag 10 Ruby packages ako, then automatic po magiging dreamer or star dreamer yung rank na nagdi-display dyan. Are we good? Okay? So please bear with me, especially for the leaders, no? Ang daming mga name codes natin the following days, no? So we have here the leaders. Thank you so much for your patience, no? And support. Thank you so much. Alam niyo naman, ang dami niyo, isa lang ako. Okay? But later on or soon, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga support, the admin, the customer support to cater all of your questions para po mag-guide rin kayo dito sa office natin. You can visit our office here sa room 801, 8th floor, AIC Burgundy Tower building, no? Visit po kayo anytime. No? Meron po tayo dito mga staff. All right? Hindi pala anytime, mag-start pala ng 1 PM. Hanggang gabi po 'yan. Okay? But i-work out po natin na kahit umaga mag-open po 'yan. It will be announced soon. Okay? So that's it for our presentation, no? Actually, in-enable ko na po yung yung mic. If you have question, you can ask your question now. But if your question is about doon sa manual rank up dahil doon sa event, we will do that one maybe tonight or tomorrow, no? Hinihingi ko pa lang yung final list galing dito sa group nila Sir Mon Alburo. Okay? And then if your next question is about doon sa mga pera na nandoon sa previous platform natin na hindi nyo na nakikita dito ngayon sa bago, no? Please bear with me guys. Why? Because chine-check po natin carefully kung sino yung mga na-releasean na ng payout. Okay? Actually, nasa akin na yung list. Pero, chine-check pa, hinihingi ko pa kay chairman yung list, yung mga na-release na yung payout, tsaka natin i-encode dyan sa account nyo. Okay? Rest assured that it will be returned to your wallet, no? Maybe this week, no? We still have the weekend naman. Basta importante maipasok na dyan sa inyong dashboard yung pera. Okay? Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-withdraw doon sa previous natin, nasa akin na po yung data for that one. Kailangan ko lang talagang i-make sure, no? Kailangan lang namin i-make sure na talagang accurate yung information na ilalagay dyan sa dashboard nyo. Especially, we're talking about money, no? So, kailangan i-minus yung mga nakapag-claim na ng payouts before. Alright, so that's it for our presentation. Yes.
Paano ang paggamit ng vouchers na?
Okay, so meron tayong question dito. The voucher. Ito pong voucher natin, you can use this one as a discount doon sa mga products natin. No? Kasi magkakaroon nga tayo ng e-com store. Dalawa pong store yan. We have the gold jewelry store and the non-gold jewelry store, non-gold store. So, magagamit niyo po siya doon sa non-gold or base sa packages, yung mga discount na yan. Then, yung discount na yan, ang maganda kasi dito, sa ibang e-com store, example, meron kang discount na maximum of 1,000. Yung nagamit mo based sa terms and condition is only 200 pesos. Pag ginamit mo na yun, yung 800 pesos, flash out na yun. Diba? Mawawala na yun kasi buong coupon yung ginamit mo eh. Pero ang maganda kasi dito sa voucher natin, example, this one, I have 2,000 voucher. Ang nagamit ko lang, example, bumili ako ng 10 coffee, shape sip coffee, then yung total discount ko, let's say, naka-discount ako ng 200 pesos doon sa total. Yung remaining 1,800 pesos, nandiyan pa rin sa dashboard mo, hindi siya na-flash out. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung voucher na yan is para siyang wallet voucher na yung mga total discounts lang ay namaminus lang. The remaining, it will be remain to your wallet. Okay? That's it for the voucher. We will talk more about this voucher thing once na nandiyan na yung natin, e-commerce store. Kasi sa ngayon, wala pa naman. So, hindi pa natin siya magagamit. Alright? You're welcome. You're welcome po. Do you have any other question? So, leaders, especially for the stockist, please bear with us, no? Kasi, alam nyo naman, yung sa natin, sa activation natin, I mean yung sa mga request code nyo, kailangan nyo talagang i-message maybe ako or siguro yung sa customer support page natin. Pag na-announce na po kung official na po yun, pwede po kayo mag-chat doon para mabilis po yung response. Okay? At kahit doon sa mga verification, you can chat lahat, no? Verification, KYC, code request, i-chat nyo po doon lahat sa customer support page natin. Ayos ba? I-announce po yan. Please follow our page, Facebook page, that's GoldGen. No? Socialite GoldGen. Search nyo po, follow nyo po para po updated kayo dun sa mga bagong updates natin about our events, company updates, platform updates, at marami pang iba. So, do you have any other question? All right. So once again, welcome, no? Everyone, welcome. Leaders, members, no? Sa mga bagong balik, welcome po. Ang dami pong pinagbago, no? Doon sa previous platform natin, ang dami pong naging updates talaga. Ano po ang mga list ng pwede tayong mag-encash? Is it about dun sa, no? Sa mga bank details? For that, no, better to contact po yung nyo, yung leader nyo sa kung anong team kayo. No? Or you can contact also our page para po ilatag sa inyo yung bank details. Ang wino-workout po kasi natin dito, siguro this will happen in the future naman. Inaayos po natin yung sa payment gateway para talagang seamless yung pay-ins natin. Including the pay-ins, seamless na. Yun po yung inaayos natin. It will happen soon. I know, it will happen soon. But for now, please communicate muna dun sa leaders niyo, the stockist, no? Yung mga 001 natin dyan. Okay, contact niyo po sila. That's it, no? Thank you so much for joining this Zoom presentation about the technical talk about the platform walkthrough, no? And we will have a more presentation pa po that will be announced dun sa page natin or sa GCs ninyo with your leaders. So once again, my name is Arnel Hinautan, no? And I am the one who's handling the platform for now. See you next time po. Good morning, everyone. Goodbye.